Welcome to the Importing SMS Files video for the Precision Ag Data Management course produced by the Nebraska On-Farm Research Network. My name is Jackson Stansel and I'm a research technician with the Nebraska On-Farm Research Network. This video is in the SMS Advanced Software Management section of the course. The SMS Advanced Software Management section of the course is designed to walk you through getting started with the SMS software, importing data to the software, upgrading the software, migrating data through upgrades, and getting familiar with the SMS interface. This particular video will address how to import SMS.back files into the SMS software for further analysis and manipulation, which is a skill that will be important for completing subsequent tutorials in the course. The type of files that we will be importing into SMS Advanced in this video are .back files. These are the type of files that are produced for projects during an SMS data backup. In subsequent lessons in the Precision Ag Data Management course, these files will be used to provide you with the necessary data to complete the tutorial for each lesson. Our first step in importing these files into SMS is first finding the files. For this course, the .back file for a tutorial can be found on the tutorial page under SMS Backup Download Files for each lesson. Once we have found these files, we will select the file that matches our version of the software. In our case, the software version we are using is version 18.5, so we will simply click the icon for version 18.5 and the download will begin. When the file download has been completed, we will right-click on the name of the file in the downloads bar of the internet browser, then select Show in Folder. Generally, this will open the Windows File Explorer to the Downloads folder where the file was saved. We will then verify that the file is saved there. At this point, we have two options. We can either leave the file where it is, or we can move the file to a place where it is easier to find. I prefer to move the file to an easier to find location. We will move the file to an easier to find location by right-clicking on the file, then selecting Cut. Then, using the navigation menu on the left of the File Explorer window, we will find or create a good location to move the file. The Documents folder is easy to access, so we will select Documents, and then we will go to the toolbar at the top of the window and click New Folder. Doing this will create a new folder in Documents that we will name Importing Files to SMS. Once we have named the folder, we will double-click the folder to open it, then we will right-click and select Paste. When we do this, we will see that the .back file has been placed in this folder. Once this is done, we will close the File Explorer, and we will open SMS Advanced by double-clicking on the desktop icon. If a prompt to create a new project comes up, simply close that window. When the start screen comes up, we will click on the button that says Backup/Restore Projects. This opens a pop-up window that presents us with several options, and we will choose the option that says Restore Project Data. After choosing this option, we will click OK. Now we see a window that gives us the opportunity to select the folder in which our desired .back files are stored. Here we will simply navigate to the folder that we just created and click on it to select it. Then we will click Load. The next window that appears lists the .back files that are available to be imported or restored to SMS. If your file does not appear here, you have likely either selected the incorrect folder or you downloaded the incorrect .back file for your version of the software. Here we see the file that we would like to import, so we will click in the white box next to the file name and date to select that file. We will then click OK to import/restore that file to SMS. Do not check the box to replace all existing data/projects. With this completed, we now see the name of the project listed in the Start window for SMS Advanced, indicating that we have successfully imported the file. This concludes the Importing SMS Files video. Now that you know how to successfully import files from outside sources to your SMS software, you should proceed to the Getting Familiar with SMS video to be introduced to the SMS interface. Should you have any comments on challenging steps to understand in this video, or any suggestions for additional help videos to be made, please feel free to contact us. I look forward to working with you in the next video to show you around SMS.